Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next, make a ponytail. Roll the hairs like this and put this bun pin. Tie the hairs on the top and then we have to roll it down like this and put the hairpin like this. Now spread the hairs, put this bun pin and it's done. Next, we have to put the hair clip. Take the hairs, roll it and fix it inside the hair clips like this. So you can see. Now take another section of the hairs and put it like this. Now after that, we have to divide the hairs, make the plaits, fold it upward and put this hairpin and fix it. So you can see how we are doing it and it's done. Next, we have to take this band and fix it on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides and put it in the between like this. Put each section of the hair clips like this and fix it one by one. Now after that, you have to take the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. So you can see we are making the plaits over the hairs. Now we have to fold it upward and tie the hairband like this and it's done. Next, we have to make a ponytail and fix this stick. Now roll the hairs around the bun stick. Now you have to fold the hairs upward and make a bun tightly. Fix the hairs from the side and then put it like this and it's done. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Fix this hairstyling tool and then rotate the hairs like this. Now after that, we have to again fold it like this, put it on the sides, spread the hairs and put this hair like this. Now after that, fix the hairs and it's done. Next, we have to take a ponytail and fix it in the half. Now divide the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now put it over it like this and then we have to spread the hairs like this from the sides and put the hair over it like this. And it's done. Next, we have to take the hairs, make a ponytail and put this bun form. Spread the hairs and put a rubber band over it. Spread the hairs like this from the sides, put a rubber band and then put this hair clutch over it like this and then fix it on the top and it's done. Next, we have to make a ponytail. Take these bun plates. Fold it upward like this by rolling the hairs. Spread it from the sides and put this again the hair clutch over it like this and fix it and it's done. Next, make a ponytail like this. Now fix it in the half. Now spread it inside the hairs and then cover the hairs from the top. Put a rubber band over it to fix the hairs and your hairstyle is done. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take the ponytail, rotate it like this. Tie it from the top, fix it in the half like this. Now you have to put the hair clutch over it. Now after that, we have to put the hair clutch and it's done. Next, we have to take the hairs, divide it into two parts and then roll them. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it like this and then you have to put the hairpins over it like this to fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take this hair clip and take a small section of the hairs, fold it like this and put the hair clip over it. Now divide the hairs into three parts and then fold them and fix them on the alternative sides of the clips like this. Now tie them together on the top. Fold it down and fix it using this bun pin like this. Cover it and it's done. Next, take the hairs using the fingers, roll it upward like this. Put this bun clutch over the hairs and fix it on the one side. Put it tightly and your hairstyle is done. Next, make a ponytail and take this bun pin. Now you have to roll the hairs. Now you have to fold it upward and make a bun. Put it over it and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.